Hi everyone, Erica from Kitty Hawk here, and today's video is about renewing expiring drone registrations through the FAA's DroneZone. You may have recently received a reminder from the FAA reminding everyone whose drone registrations expire in December of 2020 that the DroneZone is the FAA's official website for registration. Do your part to keep the skies safe and your operations FAA compliant by renewing your registration prior to the expiration date. The fee for drone registration is $5 for a 3-year period. All drones must be registered that weigh more than 0.55 pounds and less than 55 pounds. If you completed your drone registration directly with the FAA before the DroneZone was established in January of 2018, a DroneZone account was created for you by using the information you provided. Access your account by entering the same email address you used when you first registered, and then click Forgot Password to establish a new password. If you registered using a third-party service, contact that company to request your DroneZone login credentials. Otherwise, you'll have to create a new account in the DroneZone and get a new registration. Now, let me demonstrate the fast and easy process of renewing your drone registration with an existing Part 107 account on the DroneZone. First, navigate to faa.dronezone.faa.gov, as I have, and log in. Then click the dashboard button next to I fly under Part 107 or a public aircraft. From the Part 107 dashboard, under the blue inventory box in the top left corner, if you have a drone that is renewable, you'll see the Renewable SUAS in the top right corner of this box with a number next to it indicating the number of drones you have in your inventory that are renewable. I have one, as seen here. Now click the Renewable SUAS button. Here you will see my DJI Phantom 4 is eligible for renewal as I originally registered it on December 15th, 2017, 3 years ago. The status of my registration is active till next week, but let's go ahead and renew the registration now. To do this, click the 3 gray dots next to the renewable drone on the far right-hand side. Then, from the drop-down menu, click the Renew option. This will add this specific drone to your cart, as seen here. My DJI Phantom 4 is now in my cart. Then, click the Checkout button once the drone you'd like to renew has been added to your cart. Acknowledge that you have read and understand the FAA's requirements, and then click Next. Enter in your payment information. Once completed, click Next. Review that all the information you entered is correct and that you understand the requirements, and click Pay. You will now receive this confirmation page that shows that your payment was successfully processed. From back on the Part 107 dashboard, if we click Manage SUAS Inventory, we can see now that my Phantom 4 is registered and active through December 15th of 2023. So even if your drone isn't going to expire for another week or two, you can renew the registration now and it will activate it to the renewal date of your original registration 3 years from now. Remember, you must mark each aircraft with the assigned unique registration number before it is operated. Since this is a renewal, your aircraft should already be marked with the registration number. But if you have not, make sure to do so before commencing operations with the aircraft. You can simply use a label maker or handwrite the registration number and adhere to the drone body with heavy-duty tape, as you can see I've done here with my Phantom 4. Make sure to place the marking in a visible location that does not interfere with the functionality of the drone. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at erica@kittyhawk.io. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was informative, and for more information on drone registration renewals on the FAA's DroneZone, check out the blog linked in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials on how to use different tools and processes to help make your drone flying experience easier, safer, and FAA compliant. For myself and the entire Kitty Hawk team, fly safe and fly often.